Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn about origin of the term bank, its meaning and definitions, especially those who are in masters of commerce or management. This video will be of a great help and also for all competitive exams. Banking sector constitutes the core part of economic system that we all know. Bank originated out of the economic necessity of bridging gap between those who wanted to a safe investment channel for their surplus budgets and those desire institutional finance for their productive and non-productive activities. Thus, bank is referred to as a child of financial need. In simple terms, bank is a financial institution whose main business is accepting deposits and lending loans, and a banker is therefore dealer of money and credit. Origin of the term bank. There are different opinions. Let us look into it. The word bank is derived from a French word bankers or bank, which means a bench. The early bankers transacted business on benches in the marketplaces. When the banker fails, the bench was broken by the banks. The act is called bankrupt. Some argue that the term bank is derived from the German word bank, which means joint stock fund or a heap, because in those days actually banking started in the corporate sector. When the modern commercial banking or modern banking start, corporate sector where they collect funds from different shareholders. In that context, the German term bank is applicable. Thus, it can be any word, but bank is a financial institution that offers a series of financial services to individuals and institutions. Now, let us look into the definition of banking. Banking is an evolutionary concept that developed gradually, expanding its network of operations. Therefore, there is no satisfactory definition for the term banker, which can cover all the entire scope of the modern bank. But usually, for legal purposes, court depends on the following definitions, which are very standard. The first two definitions are from English law, English banking law we are taking. The first one is defined by Dr. Herbert L. Hart. He says that a banker is the one who, in the ordinary course of business, honors checks drawn upon him by persons from and for whom he receives money on current accounts. Still better definition is given by Sir John Paget. It is also based on the legal case. He says no person or body, corporate or otherwise, can be a banker who does not take deposit accounts, take current accounts, issue and pay checks and collect checks crossed and uncrossed for his customers. The word banking is defined. It's by Indian Banking Regulation Act, Indian law, Indian banking law. This is considered as one of the satisfactory definitions. The definition goes like this: accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawable by checks, drafts, order, or otherwise. Then Professor Kinley, he says that a bank is an establishment which makes to individuals such advances of money as may be required and safely made, and to which individuals entrust money when not required by them for use.